super cute. Let's see what else in this section that looks interesting. Oh, my son found two oyster drills, and look, just sitting right here. Perfect little orange horse conch. And some periwinkles. I hear the waves coming.
I know.
They come to take our stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this little oyster with some coral on it. That's super cool. Oyster drill.
They're taking a round. If they take a round.
A tiny little shark eye moon snail.
Gold.
Yeah, but we can always find it again.
I found it.
What was it?
It was this.
Ooh, a beautiful Abelmurex. Juvenile fighting conch and an Abelmurex. Whoa, guys. I see this beautiful, almost red rib drill on the inside. So cool. My son just found something so cool. It's like a part of a jaw with a bunch of teeth still attached. Some kind of fish for sure, but that is crazy. Ah! They're sharp. My son just found this lace murex. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it has like a, oh, that's dirt. I thought it had a black lining. Okay, I'll get that out later, but it's so perfect. A nutmeg, another nutmeg in here. Another nutmeg that he just threw in here. He's been finding good stuff. Paper fig. This is the baby airdrop. Good idea, buddy. Look at this beautiful pear whelk right here.
Yep.
The colors are amazing. So pretty. I love this pear whelk. Found a little tide pool. What is this? Oh my gosh. It's broken. Makes me sad. I'm gonna leave that one. Ooh, pretty big paper fig. This would be nice. It's broken too. Man. This looks like a big lightning whelk buried. Oh, just a piece. Man, this little area. I don't know how I feel about it. Little banded tulip. Some lightning whelks around here. Decent size and some